Every new product goes through a development cycle which starts from identifying the market need, ideation, design, prototyping, quality assessment, sample testing, feedback and production. Each step involves multiple stakeholders providing updates, feedback and approvals before the product is ready to hit the market. A lot of these activities still happen manually, creating multiple delays, lack of clarity, deferred time to market, resulting in losses. With the deferred no-code DIY SaaS platform, you could build each of these processes from a single platform and manage it digitally from anywhere, anytime, giving you a real-time view of the entire process, setting up SLA and TAT for each activity and monitor progress, ensuring faster time to market. Key benefits: real-time visibility, turned around time, approval management, cross-functional collaboration, time to market. Wide range of features include digitized customizable processes, seamless API integration, geointelligence, geofencing, real-time image capture, build rules for accessibility, digital data capture, real-time visibility, Google Data Studio and Power BI, raise service requests through multiple channels, phone, email, IoT devices. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with deferred.